There's really two ways to handle sign making, one of which is a reverse weed process, or you can also do it the normal way. Right now we're going to do a reverse weed where we're actually taking out the lettering that's been pre-cut versus taking out the background, which we'll show you in a minute. Notice also, by the way, I'm working from right to left, which is the typical way you want to work because of the fact that most letters are open, such as the F in this case. Most letters are open facing the right. All right, the second method, which is the more standard method of doing the weeding, is very simply, we're going to leave the lettering. We're going to actually take the background out. So we just have the lettering, and you can see the O's are filled in. So we're going to remove that as well. And now you actually have, you can see quite easily the differences so that you can offer your customers, obviously, two different ways, whichever they prefer, a reverse weed or a standard weed. Once we've actually done the weeding, the next step in the process, you might wonder, well, geez, how am I going to apply this directly to my vehicle or to my sign? Are you going to pick up each individual letter? Well, that would be the laborious way to do it, but the faster way is actually just using a transfer tape, which is basically like a masking tape. And I'm going to just basically cut off. You have to really be too careful with it, just as long as you cut it. And I'm just going to lightly lay it over and then take a handy dandy little squeegee, squeegee it down so that I'm covering all the lettering. The pre-mask usually comes pre-cut into a size you specify. Most companies sell it in a 48-inch log, 48-inch by 300-foot roll. Squeegee it out, and then at that point, what you're going to do is just go ahead and remove the entire graphic in one piece.